Right, so here's just a quick video to show you what it looks like when you haven't cleaned out your washing machine for 7 years. This is the flap you're meant to take off to take out any fluff and bits and pieces and any dirt that's built up, and we haven't done it for 7 years since we've had the washing machine. So I might not upload this video, it mightn't be very interesting, but I thought I'd record it anyway just to see what comes out. You excited? I've got just an oven tray because that's the only thing that's shallow enough to fit underneath, and it's got a little lip so if any water comes out it's not going to go underneath. I'm going to set up the camera here and then we'll see what comes out. Look. Okay, so that just flaps down. Got a pipe here. Gonna leave that there for now. I'm gonna unscrew this. Okay, so lots of water coming out at the moment. Look at that. So, first thing we have is 20p. So that's good. £20p. That must be from one of my pockets, mustn't it? I'll keep that. I'm not sure. If you just put your hand up there. Not really much in there. It's a little vent thing. Is that what you do? Just pull that out? All that's come out so far is just water.
I don't know.
I don't know what this tube's for.
No, I didn't pull that.
Maybe you put something in it, like some solution, and it flushes it out. Do you reckon?
I don't know. I should just put it back.
Should we pause the video and look in the manual? Okay, so I've just done some more research, and apparently before you take off that cap, you're meant to drain this, and that just stops all the water going around on the floor. So I'm going to do that now, just show you how to do it. I don't know if any more water will come out. You take that off, you pull that cap out, and you put it in a cup, and there's nothing coming out. So obviously it all came out of here. So that's what you do first. You pull that off, drain it into a cup, and then you can undo that and you can clean that out and you won't get water everywhere. And then you just pop that back in. Make sure it's all the way in. Put it back on. Give this a wipe round just on the edges to get out any dirt, hairs and stuff like that. Pop this back in. Make sure it's screwed on nice and tight. And that's it. All done.